Hi boys, Mrs. Clute here with another tutorial for you. Tonight we're going to be adding and subtracting decimals. So before we start, I want to go over some of the steps to do this. Step number 1, you're going to line up your problem vertically according to the decimal. Simply being, if we had the example 26.04 or 26 and 400ths plus 13.6, we're simply going to write 26.04 and then 13.6 is going to be directly lined up with that decimal. So line up those decimals. That's step 1. Step 2, fill in any extra spaces with 0. Here's an extra space, make sure you fill it with a 0. Step 3, add or subtract. So this problem's an adding problem, so go right ahead and add. 4 plus 0 is 4, 0 plus 6 equals 6, 6 plus 3 equals 9, 2 plus 1 equals 3. And the last step is bring down your decimal. Your decimal simply goes straight down, and there you go. That is an adding problem done correctly. Sometimes you're going to see problems where they're going to give you something in either word form or in a unit form like this. If you had 18/10 minus 13/10, the first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to write this in decimal form. 18/10 looks like 1.8. 13/10 looks like 1.3. Because remember, tenths only has one space after the decimal, so you can't put both of the numbers for 18 there, and you can't, if you did that, it would be a hundredths that you're dealing with. So to deal with tenths, you need to have one number in that tenths, and the other one's going to be a whole number. Now you're going to go right ahead, 1.8, set it up with 1.3, and then you're going to go ahead and subtract correctly. 8 minus 3 equals 5, 1 minus 1 equals 0, and then bring down that decimal. There you have it, boys. Have a good one.